Hey everyone, this is Andrew Tang and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office for the Mac. So this is going to allow you to use applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook on the local Mac operating system. You won't have to have an internet connection enabled all the time. You can use this locally, and this is going to be the full paid version of the software. So if you haven't subscribed already, then please consider subscribing. It just takes a moment to do and you'll be able to keep up to date with the latest Mac tutorials. So the first thing that you need to do if you haven't purchased Microsoft Office already is you need to go to this website. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description, and this is basically the Microsoft subscription page. And we're going to find our two different subscription levels. So one is called Microsoft 365 Family, it's for a larger price, and then you have Microsoft 365 Personal, which is for a lower price. So the main difference here is that Microsoft 365 Family, you can share the subscription with up to 6 people. However, the Microsoft 365 Personal account only allows one person to access the subscription. So generally speaking, this is going to be a much better deal if you know at least one other person who needs access to Microsoft Office. So once you're ready, you're going to click the Buy Now button. And then what you need to do is to either sign into an existing account or you can go ahead and create a new Microsoft account. So here I'm going to sign into my account, press yes. And then what we're going to do is to make a purchase. So we're going to add a way to pay. So add your credit card details, press next, and then complete the subscription service. So once you've made your purchase of Microsoft 365, we're going to go ahead and download and install Office. So in your Microsoft account, which I'll leave a link to in the description, all we need to do is click this button which says Install Office. So we're going to be downloading and installing this version for Mac. Here we're going to press install, and this is going to download the Microsoft Office installer. So once the download is complete, what we're going to do is to go down to the dock and go to Finder. Then we're going to click on the downloads folder here. And our completed download is going to be this Microsoft Office PKG. We're going to double click. And now we've opened up this installer, we're going to press continue, continue, and then agree. And then we're going to press install. So now we're going to type in our local password and then click install software. And now this is starting the install process. Now it's going ahead and writing the files. And it says here it's going to take about 6 minutes. So just wait for that to complete. So once that's complete, we're going to press close and we're going to move the installer to the bin. Now Microsoft Update has opened up this window, press OK. Here we're going to allow Microsoft to do updates, press update all. Now we can close this. Now if we go to our applications folder and then scroll down, once we get to M, you can find that we have Microsoft Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. So I'm going to double click on Word just to show you how it works. So when you first start up any of the Microsoft products, it's going to ask you to sign into your accounts. Here I'm going to press sign in, and then we're going to enter our username and password. So once we've entered our details, it's going to activate our software. So here you're going to click Start Using Word. And here I've created a new blank document. This pretty much works exactly the same as every other version of Word, even on Windows. You can go ahead and create a list, and this is all working as normal. Other Microsoft products work great too, like Microsoft Excel. Because we've already signed in, we can go ahead and start using it. And now I can create and use a workbook on a Mac, just as normal. If you're using an M1 Apple Silicon Mac, you'll know that these are universal, and it means that they've been optimized to take advantage of the power of the M1 chip. So another thing to consider is that you can actually download Microsoft Office from the Mac App Store. However, I don't recommend using this method because I think it's easier to manage Microsoft products from the official Microsoft website, and it's also easier to install Microsoft Office on other devices, for example, Windows PCs, if you don't use the Mac App Store version. So I'd avoid this if you can use the website version instead. So anyway, this is how you go ahead and install the paid subscription version of Microsoft Office. If you'd like to find out how to use Microsoft Office for free without paying a subscription on a Mac, then please make sure to check out the link in the description. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.